Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi my love, 11:00 on the clock. Saktong-sakto, ibig sabihin, oras na para magbigay daan tayo sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. This one was sent to us over sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. So, basahin na natin ang ating Byahe Sender of the Night. Ito po ang biyahe ni Jan 2. Jan 2. Dear DJ Lala, let's start with kung paano kami nagkakilala ng girlfriend ko. Nagkakilala kami dahil sa mga mutual friends namin noong 2017. We were hanging out occasionally as friends. But I already had a crush on her and I kept it to myself. I graduated 2019 and we never talked the same way after the graduation. And nagka-girlfriend na rin ako and we broke up. Nag-usap kami ulit ni Apple ang name niya, after 7 months na nag-break kami ng ex ko. Habang nag-uusap kami ni Apple, nagkakaroon na pala siya ng feeling sa akin and ganun din ako. 2020, naging official. Kami na. Lagi niyang nakukwento sa akin yung best friend niyang si Sofia. 7 years na silang magkaibigan and the sad part is, hindi niya ako tanggap para kay Apple. Sino ba naman ako? I accepted the fact na things won't work. Simula nun, 1 year pa lang kami ng GF ko, sa umpisa ayaw sa amin ni Sofia para sa isa't isa dahil sa attention sa akin ni Apple. Pero habang tumatagal, lagi kong tinitignan ang profile ni Sofia. Nafo-fall ako sa karakter na kinukwento sa akin ng girlfriend ko. She is so smart. Though may pagka-attitude, never pa naman kami talagang nagkita ng personal at nag-usap. Pero nagkakagusto na ako sa kanya. Lagi ko siyang iniisip tuwing gabi. Na-imagine ko yung life ko na kasama siya. Lagi akong nag-overthink kung paano ko siya makakausap. I know this is wrong dahil may girlfriend ako, pero is it possible na ma-inlove ako sa isang tao na hindi ko pa naman nakakausap o nakikita sa personal? Is it wrong that I feel this way? May gusto ako sa best friend ng girlfriend ko. Well, my love, dinidescribe mo sa akin yung best friend ng girlfriend mo. I see her as possessive. If ayaw niya sa'yo just because you are getting the attention of her best friend, that is a possessive and toxic friend. Now, if ayaw niya sa'yo for some other reason, like sabihin na natin meron siyang inkling, meron siyang nararamdaman, meron siyang nasisense that you'll be unfaithful, well, I will agree with you on one thing. She is smart. Kasi wala pa man nape-predict niya na that you'll be unfaithful. If you were asking me, is it possible for you to fall in love with someone na hindi mo pa nakikilala habang may girlfriend ka? My love, ang tanong ko na lang sa'yo, does it matter? Does it matter if it's possible or impossible for that to happen? Hindi ba natin aatakihin yung elephant in the room? O, diba? Which is that you are emotionally cheating on your partner. Nako, emotionally cheating. Recently, may mga articles about emotional cheating. Diba? Dahil lang sa mga recent na hiwalayan. My love, ganito, no? Jan, I don't want you to overthink things. Maybe you are just curious as to who this girl really is. Kasi binavalue siya ng partner mo. Binavalue siya ng girlfriend mo. Kasi yung girlfriend mo, ina-upsell siya sa'yo para hindi ka mainis dun sa best friend niya for being who she is. Maybe you are curious as to who the person is behind all those amazing stories na kinukwento ng girlfriend mo. Pero that's about it. Curiosity kasi you haven't met the girl. Pero siguro, maganda na nga, hindi mo pa man namimit yung girl, i-address na natin yung nararamdaman mo. Love, I don't think it's love. I think you are being challenged. And this girl is tickling your curiosity. Dahil na-challenge ka sa kanya eh. Siguro sanay ka that you have it your way. Siguro sanay ka na na-charm mo ang friends ng exes mo, but this one is kinda tough. And it's a challenge for you na iwoo yung best friend ng girlfriend mo. And that challenge excites you. Kasi feeling mo itong girlfriend mo is something that you wanted before, you took your time, and still you had it. Alam mo yung feeling na, I want it, I got it. Now, this girl is something that you wanted on your side, or is someone that you wanted on your side, pero apparently, wala ka pa man ding ginagawa, hindi pa man din kayo nagkikita, hindi mo na makuha yung loob niya. Do you see where I'm getting at, my love? You see this girl as a challenge. You are curious dun sa challenge na yun. It excites you. Nakikita mo siya as thrill. Pero that is not love. So I want you to choose your sanity over this challenge. Sabihin man natin na medyo some kind na nag-emotional cheating ka na. Alam mo, this will go against everybody else. Pero I'm telling you, my love, give your relationship another shot. Give your relationship another shot. Tumingin ka uli sa girlfriend mo. Remember why you liked her. Remember why after all these years, after 3 years nung na-meet mo siya, nung nagkaroon ka ng crush sa kanya, remind yourself as to why you pursued this girl. Kung bakit mo siya niligawan. Kung bakit mo siya ginustong mapasagot. Remind yourself again why you wanted to be in a relationship with this girl. And you'll forget about this curiosity of yours. You'll forget about this challenge on top of your head. Feeling ko kasi itong challenge na to, ino-overshadow niya lang yung what you truly feel and genuinely feel for your girlfriend. Now, if binigyan mo ng chance yung relationship ninyo, if you went out with your girl, if you talked siguro intimate stories or intimate na usapan with your girl, and still, alam mo sa sarili mo na yung feelings mo sa kanya ay wala na. Madaling nabura by a girl without a personality, by a girl with a face, pero you haven't met. Then I suggest you end this relationship for that reason. Not because you are curious sa best friend ng girlfriend mo, not because feeling mo in love ka na sa best friend ng girlfriend mo, hindi mo pa nami-meet. This is me trying to give you a chance for a relationship that's already in front of you para hindi siya masayang. Nagigets mo ako, my love? I want you to look at your girlfriend once again. And hindi dito sa fictitious na character that you are painting in your head sa imahe ng best friend niya. Refocus mo yung sarili mo, i-focus mo ulit dun sa girlfriend mo kasi maybe naka-cloud lang ng curiosity mo yung nararamdaman mo talaga. Do not assume that that is love. Sometimes talaga mabilis magkuble ang tukso. Thinking that it is love, pero it's not. Emotionally, you are already cheating, but I want you to have that chance. I want you to give yourself that chance. Hanggat wala ka pang nasasaktan. Hanggat wala pang nangyayaring hindi maganda sa relationship ninyong dalawa, I want you to straighten yourself up. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Now, now, after everything that's said and done, kung feeling mo pa rin, wala ka na talagang nararamdaman dito sa girlfriend mo, not because of anything else, but because you focused on your girl and naramdaman mo na, shucks, wala na yung pagmamahal ko sa kanya. And then you say goodbye to this relationship. Pero if you're gonna ask me if there's a future for you and yung best friend ng girlfriend mo, my love, the obvious answer to that question is a big no. Ngayon pa nga lang na boyfriend ka pa lang ng best friend niya, ayaw niya na sa'yo eh. What more pa pag sinaktan mo yan? Kaya my love, ganito no? Ayusin mo yung sarili mo. I-recalibrate mo. Hinga ka ng malalim. Try not to talk about the best friend while you are with your girlfriend. Ask questions about her. Make memories with her. Spend time with her. Get to know her. Kasi I think, deep down inside, attracted ka sa best friend, but you love your girlfriend. I guarantee you that. Konting focus lang, my love, and you will understand na there's a big difference between infatuation, attraction, and love. There's a big difference, and I don't want you to make a big mistake thinking na yung tatlong yun ay pare-parehas lang. Naintindihan mo ko dyan? Salamat ka, medyo, alam mo yun? Mabait pa ako kasi kung ako yan, sabihin ko sa'yo, sabihin mo na dyan sa girlfriend mo yung totoo na parang na-in-love ka sa best friend niya. Kasi that will just hurt your partner. It won't do anything sa'yo. It won't fix anything sa thinking mo. It won't help you in the future. It will just justify yung wrong mentality na meron ka. I could have said that easier for me. Pero hindi, in-explain ko pa sa'yo yung maybe another possibility of what you are feeling kasi I want you to have the chance to be happy. Everyone deserves to be happy. Everyone deserves a shot at love, and you have a chance to be happy and in love. So I don't want to deny you that chance by assuming na cheating ka na agad. Naintindihan mo ko dyan? Paulit-ulitin mo na lang. Itong advice ko sa iyo, uploaded to sa YouTube ng Love Radio Manila para maintindihan mo how I am characterizing. Yan. How I am characterizing what you are feeling so that you can understand na maybe it's not love. Maybe it's just infatuation. Cloaking and pretending that it is love. Claro? Claro.